Hey everyone, Brady Agronoff, founder of Warehance here, and I wanted to show off an automation rule really quick that we set up for one of our clients. So our clients had a few products that needed a specific flyer to be included in every shipment. In this case, I'm using Sporks for my example, so I have Spork 4-pack, Spork single, and Sporks that fall apart. And then I've created a Spork flyer as a fourth product here to be included in the shipment. And so I'm going to go ahead and set up the automation rule to include the Spork flyer anytime one of these three products is in an order. So something else to note before we get started is that all four of these different products have Spork in the SKU, and we're going to go ahead and use that. So I'm going to go to automation rules, make sure I'm in the correct client, in the client selector, and I'm going to press create new automation. I'm going to call this add Spork flyer and select the order created trigger. I'm then going to add a condition, and this condition is going to check that at least one SKU in the order contains Spork. So since all four of those SKUs contain Spork somewhere, this condition will be met for if any of those products are in the order. Now I am going to add one more condition because we don't want this flyer being added if there already is a flyer in there. So I'm going to go ahead and select order products and says does not include, and then select the Spork flyer. So in this case, if the Spork flyer is already included in the order, then this automation rule will not fire and the Spork flyer will not be added again. So then I'm going to go ahead and select the add product and select the Spork flyer in quantity 1. So if at least one product in the order has a SKU that contains the word Spork, and the order products already don't include the Spork flyer, so if the Spork flyer is not already in the order, then go ahead and add the Spork flyer. So I'm going to go ahead and press create automation. And let's see this in action. So if I go over to create order, and let's say I add the Spork single in quantity 1, and then I'll select the store, shipping method, warehouse, and I'll call this test order. I'll fill in some information here, and then let's fill in some of the rest of this information, and I'll press save order. And as you can see, the Spork flyer was added to the order. Now let's go ahead and do one more order where we include the Spork flyer. So let's do Spork flyer and Spork single, 1 here. And then I'm going to go ahead and do all the same information. And fill this out. Perfect. Now I'm going to go ahead and press save order again, and as you can see, it was not duplicated. There was not another Spork flyer added to the order because of that second condition we set. So I hope this video was cool and showed off one of our automation rules that we created, and more of these to come in the future. Thanks for watching.